So what is mean by join? What's mean by join? See, join is connect with more than one table with the along with the common field name. So what is that? So join, actually we know that we have a table called um, select star from. We are, suppose we are in students table database. Okay, I'm going to student database. Select star from employee. So I have this much record. Okay, I have. I'm creating mm, one more table. Say for example, country table. Okay, so assume that there is a table called country. Okay, I'm creating the table. How to create the table? Create table, table name. For example, country. So assume that country ID is int, country name varchar 50. I just am create closing the table. Um, okay. I'm inserting some record. Insert into country values. So I'm going to give all all the records. So I don't want to mention that my field name. So insert into country values one comma. Say for example, my first country is USA. Next, same thing. I'm creating second is India. Third is Malaysia. Something like that. Okay. I have assume that I have three records. In Malaysia. So assume that I have three records. I want to, you know, um, in this my employee table, I am adding that country column name. Right now we don't have that column. So start from employee. So in this table, assume that it is there already. Okay. So how I am going to add that? Alter table employee, add country ID in the same, country ID I'm adding in this table. It's a int. Okay, just close it. So now at present what is there is all country ID will be there, but it is empty. Okay. So for my purpose, what I'm going to add it, I'm updating some records. So based on this country, see, update employee set country ID equal to 1, where my employee ID, for example, I'm giving employee ID E001 as 1, then 2. Just for my just to try testing purpose, I am updating the country ID. Okay. So where emp ID equal to E001. Just I'm updating one row affected. Now just select that record. It will be coming that 1. Similarly, I'm giving employee country ID 2 here, updating the records E002. Okay, one row affected. So now again I'm updating E002 null record. I mean E002 is 2. Same thing I'm updating E003 also, because assume that different country, different location. As per the testing purpose, I'm adding all things. Okay. So again update same 2. Here Aditya is 3. Okay. Say for example this is E004. I'm adding with 3 because we have only 3 records. Okay. Okay. 3. I'm just again I'm going to add the last employee ID E006, country ID. Country ID is 1. Okay. Okay. Now slightly I'm changing that my in this record. This E003 just I'm updating that name, because instead of name I'm giving some other name. Say for example, update employee set emp name equal to, say for example some name. Okay, Vetri, where employee ID equal to E003. Okay. Now select star from employee. Okay. So I have country ID, this much country ID. My certain stage, what you do in DBMS or RDBMS, there is a rules is there. I mean, we don't want to make it a straight away country name, country ID, I mean country name, because of we are maintaining some rules and regulations. Not only rules and regulations, it's a uniform. Main purpose is what we have to maintain the data is in a uniform way or in a logical way. Okay. So what we do, we are sometime time what we are maintaining the ID. So, but suppose we want to retrieve the data with joining with the clubbing with the more than one table. I want to know. Okay, first. So say for example, I want to know Aditya is under which country. If you say 3 means we don't know what is 3. Okay, so that what you do, we are going to link with this country table and taking the values and forming in a one single query. Okay, so that is the join. So what is the join? Join is nothing but connect with more than one table, connect with more than one table with the common field name. Okay, so join is a connect with more than one table along with the common field name. Okay, so as per this employee table and country table, we have the common field name country ID. So how we are going to join the performing the joining? Okay. So that is an we are going to introduce a concept called alias name. Alias name. What is alias name? Say for example, I am saying that. Say for example, okay, Aditya is there. Okay, we for Aditya we have one another name is we suppose we have another name is okay, some Aditya Birla. His name is Aditya Birla. So shortly we are called Aditya. So we are telling different name instead of using the direct name. Okay, that is called alias name. So using the alias name, we are performing the query. How you are going to perform the query? For that, we are using the keyword called select. I'm giving two tables. I'm going to use it. What are the tables? Employee and country. Okay. Select a dot. What are the field name you want? Emp ID, comma a dot a dot emp name, comma a dot department, comma b dot country name. Country name. From, because we are linking with more than one table, from employee a inner join. The keyword called we are join with more than one table. So what are the joins? We are first joins we are using inner join or join. Join. Another table is called country. Country. Okay. On B. On a dot country ID equal to p dot country ID. Okay. Now I'm running. Okay. When running the query, see, actually the country is the different table, employee is a different table. I want to retrieving the some common field name. Okay. So in which way we are joining, which way we are taking the keyword called join. Okay. So you are clubbing into two tables in a single query. Okay. So basically what are the things you want? We want employee ID, we want employee name, we want department along with the country name. Okay, but country name is, I mean, I'm just listen very carefully. I am giving the employee from the employee table. I'm giving one name A, so that the A is nothing but A means hereafter is what? It's a alias name of the employee table employee. So that I'm giving A dot emp ID, A dot emp name, because this is also a employee table. Then this is also a employee table, but here B is the different table. It is called a country. So that I'm giving B dot country name. Okay, that level you understand. But one thing, how you are going to communicating with the two tables? It's a common column name we want, because both the table we have the country ID. In the both the employee tables also a country ID will be there. In country tables also a country ID will be there. So that through the common field name we are joining with the keyword called join, and performing this query and running this output. See, joins. Okay. So very carefully if you have to watch. So for joining, what we need a common column name. Common column name. So if your common column is there, then we can linking with one and another. So that is the things. We can performing more than one, not only two tables. Okay, but because you are be very beginner, that's what I am linking with only two tables. Okay. So different type of joins we have. So what are the joins? First one is this is simple join or inner join or join. Okay, so join, we can call it as inner join. Second is outer join. Outer join is two types. A is left outer join. B is right outer join. Right outer join. So how he is going to performing the things? Okay, now we are inner join is nothing but is a simple join. Okay, okay, here suppose if there is no matching ID, if there is no matching values will be there. See, country ID, everything is coming. Suppose assume that there is no matching records. So if there is no matching records, those kind of row system will skipping the record. How? See, for example, assume that this table select star from employee. In this table, okay, this is table because 1 2 3, because these 1 and 2 3 is available in the country table. Suppose assume that in certain situations, so we have some new ID. Say for example, this last ID, I have just instead of 3, I'm giving us 4 or 5 something. Okay, now I'm updating the record. Okay, update here I'm giving us instead of 3 or 4. See, if it is 1 2 3 means okay, 1 and 2 and 3, because within 3 rows only our country table will be there. So within this 3 okay, it suppose I'm giving fifth record. See, now I'm not performing this query statement. When I running the query, just very carefully listen it. When I running the query, when running this query, I have that record E06 computer science Seathal USA. This record will be coming when output running. Now I'm updating with different value here. Say for example, I'm running this query, performing this query, executed. Now when I run this query E006, it won't appear because as per the employee table, E006 is the fifth, but there is no corresponding fifth in the country table. So those row will not come. Okay. See, I'm running this query. Now the E06 row will not appear. See, when running, see, there is no E006 because we are performing the query based on the, if it is equal, then you brought it. Otherwise, you don't brought it. Okay. Hope you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
okay. So, basically, what is join? Join means we are joining with more than one table along with the common field name. See, if the table values will be exist. See, why it is not coming in the fifth row? Because when running the select star from country, there is only 1 and 2 3. Okay, 1 1 2 3. Okay, whereas we don't have any column. I mean, there is no country ID 5. That is what that row will not executing. See, when when checking with the employee table, if it is 1 2 3, okay, if it is come means definitely it will brought that values, because we don't have that fifth record. I mean, column country ID 5 we don't have. That is what system is skipping this row. Okay, that's what when running this query, system is skipping those records. That's what it is coming as a it's skipping those rows. That's what it's we are getting this result. Okay, see, now you can understand that okay, we are in one single form of query. We can able to perform. You no need to run that different query, different aspect. Okay, in a one single query we are able to come getting that the country ID, I mean, sorry, employee ID, employee name, department along with the country name. So now we can easily identify, okay, Shruti, USA, Surya, India, Vetri, India, Aditya, Malaysia. So we are able to performing the uh, form on the single query. Okay. So how you are going to performing more than one table. Suppose I need some other table, one more table. We have some, say for example, some other table instead of country. We can call it as a department. Okay, just assume the department is not there, or district. Okay, assume the district. So under which district, under which place. So we have one more table called district table. So we can communicating with the same query. We can join more than one join. Okay, so how you are using join, another number of joins we can utilize it. Okay, so how you are going to make it one by one by one, one by one, one by one. So this is called we can call it as a simple join, or we can call it as a inner join. All are same only. Okay, if you even if you run that query, the same output will only we get it. Okay, see, same output we are getting, either inner join or join, both are same. Okay, the next we are going to learn that what is the left outer join, then what is right outer joins. Okay, so hope you are clearing with the simple example, little bit tricky only, but slowly you can learn the things. So we learned that today only one join, it is called inner join. Tomorrow class we are going to that outer join. That outer join is classified into two types, left outer join and right outer join. So we will see one by one, one by one. Okay, so tomorrow there is no theory class. We have a practical class. I start from Aditya, and one by one I check with each and every person systems. Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Have a great day. Yeah.